Alright guys, so as you can see, I posted on my status earlier this morning around 12 a.m. You get that. Watch me how I flip 50k to fortune. You get this is basically 50,000 naira, Nigerian naira, not dollars. You get so, and in this video I'll be showing you how I was able to flip 50,000 naira to 500k. You get with just one setup, one particular pair. You get so. The most amazing thing here is that I told everyone that watch me how I'll flip 50k to fortune. You get to trade 50k to fortune, and I did that. I did that. Like, how can I flip 50k to 500k in less than no time? You get so in this particular video I'll be showing you how I was able to do that. And just stick with me, I'm not joking, I'm not kidding you. You get, I'll show you everything, the setup and everything you really need to know. And if you are new to this very channel, you're welcome to Better Flex. This is a channel of local educational content. And for those of you who you are surprised in my face camera here, I just cut my hair. I know many of you guys, you know me as someone who do keep hair, but I just decided to cut my hair for some reason. Yeah, that's it. And without taking much of the time, let's get into the main video of today. But before we get into the main video of today, I want you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, guys, and watch this video to the very end. Drop your comment below and tell me if it's possible or it's not possible. You get it. Just comment your thought below and I'll make sure I reach out to you. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel. You get, follow me on Instagram where I do drop free trading setup for you guys and you learn from my analysis and everything. You get so as you can see here was a screenshot. You get here was a screenshot where I told them, watch me how I take 50k to how I trade 50k to fortune. You get the concept. So I literally told them, and this was basically the process. Alright guys, so I'm having this setup right here on Bitcoin. You get, so price is here to approach my point of interest, but it's a very simple concept you get, which I'll be using to flip that 50k to a significant amount. If you can get 500 or 400k on that bit on this particular setup, then I have to close because this is a risk to reward 1:6. You get the concept. But I think if I just hit 400 or 500k from that 50k account, you get, then I'll be closing so I can have enough equity to capitalize on the next setup. You get, so this is episode 1 and our first setup. Let's see how it goes, guys. Just subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell notification icon. Let's go. Let's see if we can be able to make some dollars from it. So guys, we are in. You get, it was really a fast one. So price figured our point of interest. I just have to stack more.
A few moments later.
So guys, we're about to hit 500k. You get 50k to 500k, as you can see on the screen right here. You get, so I just entered another position here on gold. You get, so this is gold. I just entered the position though. You get, so if you can check here, you see my entry. You get, you can see my entry here. I already have my analysis done on TradingView. You get the concept. So this is how I do my flipping stuff. As you can see, just 500k. Yes, we hit 500k. You get, was it pulling back? You get, so once we hit 500k again, I'll be closing this particular trade. You get the concept. So here's my BTC, and you can see my BTC entry. You get, you can see the entry for yourself. Skill over everything, guys. Skill over everything. Right here, you can see it for yourself, and we're already floating in 500k profit. You get, already floating in 500k profit. You can see it for yourself here. So we have managed to take what, 50k to 500k, guys. 50k to 500k. You get, so that's it. That's Forex for you. You get the concept. So gold is still trying to move. I'm expecting a massive move or massive push on gold. You get a very good push on gold. So let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. So for BTC, I'll be closing my BTC anytime soon. You get, so let me just close BTC. You get, so let me just close my BTC here. So this is the first setup I took on the 50k account. You get, so this setup is on BTC, and I was able to take that 50k to 500k on this BTC. You get, though I closed before price hits my TP. You get, I closed at 1:4, but our overall TP here is 1:6 what I closed at 1:4 because this is my first trade and I'm just getting started. There's no need of me holding to your TP because I understand it's very important to hold your TP, but I just want to maybe increase my balance and equity to have maybe more funds for me to do what, to capitalize on the next trade. You get? So this is the first stage of taking what, the 50k account to fortune. You get the concept? And as you can see, price already smashed at take profit. You get? So, and this is a very simple concept. You get? It's a very simple concept. And if there's anything I really wanted to learn, I wanted to learn what, learn from my entries. You get? So you can see that my entries are always at turning points. You get? If you go check my Instagram account now, you notice what, all my trades, all the trades I took, or all the trades I'm taking, you get, all those trades, if you notice my entry, they are top notch. And that's one of the things you really need to learn, because as a trader, for you to flip that to small account to fortune, you need to know how to enter at that very turning point of the market. You get the concept? So if you look here now, very quick, and I'll not take much of a time in breaking down the main reason why I took this trade. I don't know, I would have loved to just remove the whole thing right here. You get? So I just have to remove the whole thing and break down the whole concept for you really quick so you can see it for yourself. You just saw the before screenshot before I took the trades, and this is the after. So I just have to click on here, click on remove drawings, and really quick now you can see that right here BTC is already on a bullish trend. You can see that very well. You get? Even if you don't really know how to identify your swing highs and swing low, just me looking at your BTC chart, you already know that okay, this is a bullish market. So I was only looking for what, buy opportunity on BTC. You get? And around here, when market gave me this setup around here, I was like, wow, this is one of my favorite setup. You get? Because I just like seeing liquidity sweep. You get? I like taking my trade at sweep zones. Because so right here we have what, we have this liquidity sweep here. You get? I know most of you won't understand the concept, but subsequently I'll be teaching you guys how to trade the way I trade. You get? How to trade the way I do. You get? Using this mechanical trading concept. That's why you need to do what, you need to subscribe to this particular channel, because I'll be uploading more valuable content for you guys, educational content, and me flipping small account to fortune. You guys, so get ready for me guys, and don't forget to comment your thought below. You get? So right here we have this sweep zone. You get? Like so. And we also have what, we also have this break of structure up here. You get? And you know what break of structure simply means? You get? Simply means what, the trend continuation to the upsides or the downsides. You get? So right there we have what, we have our break of structure right there. And since we already have our sweep zone and our break of structure, what we should be looking out for is for what, is for that good demand zone that can reverse this market to the upside. We basically trade what, supply and demand, and then we also put some other concept into consideration, which is best known to me, you get, and my students. You get the concept? So basically here, normally if you are a student of Gilbert FS Academy, you know that okay, we are supposed to take this trade on our sweep zone around here. Yeah, but if you look this sweep zone here, there's what, there's market efficiency right here, and since there's market efficiency here, price fails to create what, imbalance. And since price fails to create imbalance, we just have to look for that zone. You get? That we have what, our imbalance. And around here we have this imbalance right here, which, as you know, we always love taking our trade on a particular zone or particular supply demand zone that has what, imbalance. You get? Because anytime price creates imbalance in the market, it always tends to come fill that imbalance. So right here you get, we have what, we have our imbalance like so, and down there was where I was targeting. You get? My stop loss was just below my zone. You get? Was just below that imbalance zone. Then my stop loss was somewhere around here. You get? My entry was here, I think, at that particular point, and then my stop loss, I think it was somewhere around here. And then I was basically targeting what, I was basically targeting 1:6. You get? So for 1:6, I think it should be somewhere around here. Get this swing high like so. Now the reason why I was targeting this swing high, initially I love targeting 1:10 risk to reward. You get? Based on my system and concept, but I was targeting this swing high because now for this market to reverse to the opposite direction, price need to create at least equal highs for we to see what, for we to see a change of trend to the opposite direction. You get the concept? Now as you can see, price tap into my zone first. We have that first move, you get, and came back to test the zone again. You get? This particular line which gave us what, the second move, and then from here we have what, we have that massive push to the upside, price smashing our TP of 1:6 risk to reward, and a total of 248 pips. You get the concept? As simple as this guys. We don't have to complicate things here. You get? We don't have to complicate things. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and join our Telegram channel. The year is coming to an end, and massive giveaway will be coming up believe me, you get, from next year, free signals, massive giveaway, you get, I'll be ready for you guys, and you need to join the growing community. You get the concept. So this was basically the main reason why I took this trade, a very simple concept. And if you have any question about this concept or really want to learn more, make sure you drop your comment down below or message me on WhatsApp. My link will be at the comment down below, guys. And don't forget, you really need to reach out to me on WhatsApp, because I do drop valuable content on my status. You get the concept. So that's it. And let's see, you get, this was our first setup, and by the grace of God, we were able to do it, to make reasonable amount of profit from this setup. So our second setup is gold. You get, I'm already in on gold, so let's see how gold will go. You get, I'm expecting something positive from gold, and that will be on episode 2. You get the concept. That will basically be on episode 2. If we blow the account, we blow. If we lose the account, I'll still come up here and show you guys how everything goes, the main reason why I took the trade, and my mistake. If at all the trade went south, I'll still tell you and tell you what I've learned. But if we make money from it, which I know of course we are going to make money, you get, then I'll still come here and show you guys. You get the concept. So peace, and I'll catch you in episode 2 of flipping 50K to fortune.